Next experiment is CPU scheduling algorithm. In this there are 4 methods, that is first come first serve, second one is shortest job first, third one is priority, and fourth one is round robin scheduling algorithm. Here I am going to explain round robin scheduling algorithm. In this first, to get the number of process and their process time, then we have to initialize the array for round robin circular queue as 0. The burst time of each process divided and the portions are stored on the round robin array. According to the array value, the waiting time for each process and average time is calculated. The waiting time for each process and average waiting times are displayed. Average times are displayed. Here the program. Here first we have to initialize the ET means estimated time. TS these are the variables, that is x equal to 0, is total equal to 0. Then Pn means process name. In process name declared in array format, then we have to enter the number of process that will be read. Next we have to enter the time quantum, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 or anyone. That's also read by the machine. In loop condition I have to give again I have to enter the process name and estimated time. Here the process name and process first we have to enter the number of process, that is 2, and then enter the time quantum, that is 3. Based on quantum value and number of process, the estimated time value will be calculated. For this purpose only here we are using the for loop condition, that is for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here the if condition is checked. If the condition is true, the printf statement will be executed, otherwise else part will be executed. Finally the output will be displayed, that is estimated time. Next one is shortest job first algorithm. In this in round robin algorithm we have to give the quantum value, but in shortest job first algorithm, this algorithm based on burst time value, that is which value is minimum value, that value will be executed first. For example, here we have to enter the number of process, that is 3. Then we have to enter the process name, arrival time and burst time. The arrival based on burst time, which one is smaller. Here the first process is smaller, so first process will be executed. Next third process will be executed, that is compared to 15, 11 is smaller, so third process will be executed, and then finally the second process will be executed. Here also in SJF also waiting time, total average time, total turnaround time will be calculated. For that purpose only temporary variable will be declared, that is temp. For temp we have to initialize the arrival time, then arrival time equal to next that is 1, 2, 3 means arrival time 1 equal to arrival time 2, then the arrival time equal to temporary. The swapping is executed here, because which value is smaller, that value will be executed first. So for that purpose only this conditions will be executed. Next ST means starting time equal to finishing time minus 1, waiting time equal to starting time minus arrival time. Next one is FT means finishing time can be calculated as starting time plus estimated time. Next TA means turnaround time will be calculated as finishing time minus arrival time. Finally the total waiting time equal to overall waiting time, total turnaround time equal to overall turnaround time. The turnaround time will be calculated as Finally, the average waiting time and average turnaround time will be calculated here. Then will be printed using printf statement. Finally, the all values are displayed here. The next one is FCFS. FCFS means first come first serve. Which value is come first, that value will be executed first. For example, here we have to enter the number of process 3 means then the 3 process are 1 2 3. The first process will be executed first, the second process will be executed, and finally the third process will be executed. It is the simplest scheduling algorithm in GPS scheduling algorithm. um, in this also we have to calculate starting time, waiting time, turnaround time, and then average turnaround time and total waiting time will be calculated. And finally, priority algorithm. In priority scheduling algorithm, based on the priority only, the CPU will be allocated for the process. That is, for example, here we have to enter the number of process 3, that is 3 process 1 2 3. In this, which process is ready for the execution means the CPU will allocate for that process first. That so for that purpose only it is called as a priority scheduling algorithm. Apart from that, in this also we have to calculate the starting time, finishing time, turnaround time, total turnaround time, waiting time, and average time. Finally, all the outputs are displayed here. All the outputs are displayed here likewise. Thank you.